Hi, I'm Theo with ITWatchDogs. The objective of this video is to learn how to initially configure any ITWatchDogs environment monitor. We will use our SuperGoose 2 to demonstrate how to connect to the unit with factory defaults, set up an admin login and password, set the clock, and enter network parameters. Now, I'm on a Windows XP machine, so I'll go to the Start menu and Control Panels, then Network Connections. Now I want to select the icon that represents the hardware Ethernet controller on my machine and right click it and select Properties. Now scroll down and select TCP/IP, and if you have V4 and V6 you want to use the V4 and highlight that and then select Properties. Now if you have your machine configured for a local network with a static IP, you'll want to record that down so that you can re-enter those parameters. For my purposes, I'll enter 192.168.123.1 and use a standard subnet mask of 255.255.255.0. Now as the machine reconfigures those parameters, I'll then go and open a web page to that factory default IP address, and you'll see the sensors page come up for our product. First we want to go down to Configure and Admin and scroll down the page a little bit to where you see the name and password, and I'll enter administrator account password or name of ITW and then password of ITW. Next I'll want to set the clock. Notice that we offer an NTP server ability to connect to get to the time, and you can enter the IPs for the NTP server here. However, in our case we're going to enter the time manually, and notice that the time is entered with GMT without an offset for the time zone. So I've already entered here the month, day, year, and the time, and since I'm in Central Time Zone I'm going to set an offset of -6. Once that's done, I'll click Save. Now notice that the local time is at the top of the page, which is GMT minus 6 hours in my case. Next we want to show you how to set the network parameters. We offer full DHCP support, so if you have a DHCP server in your network you can use that to set all of these parameters, or in the event that you want to set just the IP address, subnet, and gateway via DHCP and set your DNS servers statically, you can do that. Or in our case we're going to set all 3 or all 5 of these with a static IP. Now I know on my local network I'm at 140.65 IP I've set aside for this device, so I will save those. And now I need to make sure that my PC is on the same network, so I'll go back to DHCP and to verify that my device has been reconfigured, I now see it at 140.65. That concludes the initial configuration for our SuperGoose. Most of our products are very similar. If you have any difficulty, feel free to contact us at support@ITWatchDogs.com. It's listed at the bottom of the control pages for all of our devices. We hope that you enjoy your new ITW product. Thank you.